Kia ora anō. In this video we're going to look at one strategy in which you can use to help your tamaiti learn te arapuu Māori, or a letter of the alphabet. One of the ways is to get your tamaiti to point to and say each letter. And although there are lots of resources to help us teach te arapuu Māori, we don't always have access to them. So if you've got a pen and a paper, that'll do just fine. So you have a blank piece of paper in front of you. Yep, so what? Well, at the top of my blank paper, I've drawn 5 shapes there. So a tapatoru, a tapawharite, a porowhita, a porotitaha, and a manawa. So the purpose of the 5 shapes is to allow your tamaiti to be creative with writing their letter. You can use the shapes absolutely any way you please, any size and any colour. It's just a guide. So let's take the letter ngā. We want them to draw the letter, and using the first shape, they're going to copy and do our tapa toru, or triangle, on the outside. They would do the same for the tapawharite, or the square, and for each shape as they go along. So we'll just go straight to the end there and do one for the manawa, or the ngākau. Okay, so after they've done all the shapes, you can change the sizes. You can tell them to do one a large ng, so like this, and you want them to fill up the whole page. By the time they've finished filling the page, they pretty much have this letter sussed. So a large ng, or you can get them to change colour and do a iti ng. Okay, and then again do their shape on the outside. Absolutely up to you how you do it. So I found this a really awesome way to help them learn their colours in Māori as well, and you'll be surprised at some of the designs that they'll come up with themselves. So that's just one of the ways you can help your tamaiti learn 1 letter a day of the alphabet. Oh, why not go for 2 letters a day? Kia ora koutou.